This is the night before my chemistry final, and it's actually my first final that I'm taking, so I have no idea what to expect. The type of questions, the length, although I did do a practice exam, I'd say I can't really trust it until I see the real one, because I just feel like they're gonna make it harder. I don't know why, but I feel like it was not gonna be that standard as of difficulty. And general chemistry, I think there is a lot more than just the basics that it seems to only have, because the question could be twisted in any kind of way, and like it's not as simple as it really is general. Like we call it really general, but then that's also kind of the error that everyone did. Lots of people were good throughout the entire semester, not the year, but semester, and then did the final, and it turned out really bad apparently. Lots of reviews from my college. Lots of students were totally fine throughout the year, even really good straight A students, and then the final just crashed them. So yeah, it is a bit mysterious final that I'm waiting for. And my strategy for this exam tomorrow, it's a 3-hour exam, is to sleep early tonight. And that clock is actually wrong. It's not actually 12:30. It's right now like 10. I'll be going to sleep right away, and I don't plan to wake up early tomorrow morning. And that's primarily because I've been doing a few tests in class for chemistry, and I realized that I need a really awake brain, awake mind to write my chemistry tests, like any kind of chemistry test. And that's more because it's not really calculation based. So you really need like a creative side of mind to come up with a reason to explain a reaction. Like not every reaction is the same, obviously. And then depending on the case, depending on the molecule, depending on the atom they give you, it's slightly different in the way that you have to explain it. So there's like 5 or 4 standard reasons, but then you have to pick which one, and then there's the appropriate one, and if you bring up a wrong one, then obviously use points. And it's like sometimes better to say less than to say more if you're gonna say wrong one, obviously. And sometimes even just 2 reasons is enough. Either way, it's like it requires your intuition sort of, and if you are sleep deprived and you have a really sleepy brain, it will really not work. And that's what happened for my test 3 in chemistry. I was really sleepy because I was sleep deprived because I studied a lot for that test, but turns out I could have gotten it with probably less studying if I had slept. So yeah, I'm not gonna wake up early tomorrow, and well, the test is 2 p.m. anyway, so yeah, 2 p.m. to 5. It's a really long one. Also, not just that I need creativity, it's really long, so I need energy.